competent communicator manual. But before I come to the objectives of Project 4, I would tell you that, it's an assumption, I would tell you that you will also be evaluated on the objectives of all the previous projects that you have already attempted. Starting from Project 2, which is organize your speech. So even this speech needs to have a clear opening, the body of the speech and a conclusion. Similarly, Project 3, which is about get to the point, about the fact that your speech must have a generic purpose, an overarching thought, and then specific purposes which all roll up to the generic purpose. And similarly, for this particular project, how to say it, it is all about using the correct sentence structures, the use of correct grammar, diction, and you need to avoid jargons, and ideally you need to avoid using any sort of notes. So to weave your magic, Toastmaster Anwar, you have 5 to 7 minutes. All the best.
A place beyond imagine by Toastmaster Anwar.
Have you ever spent money, spent time, and spent energy to get scared? Have you ever had unlimited fun in water, in the land, in the air? Toastmasters, guests, few months back, my family was visited by kith and kin from Kerala. So they came during the week, and I had directed them to boring Bangalore buildings called malls, which already visited many times and got bored. So when the plan for the weekend came, everybody was thinking about it. So I saw an ad behind an auto rickshaw about Wonderla. I took the number, called them, inquired about the rates, about the discounts, everything. So when I presented this case to the family, with the relatives, everybody was really into it, jumping onto it. So on Friday evening, my wife prepared very steamy, mouth-watering biryani to be taken for the next day. And on the otherwise sleepy Saturday mornings, right, we all were eager, dressed up, had breakfast, and started around 9 o'clock from home. When we saw the picture of the giant wheel from the far distance on the Bangalore-Mysore highway, the excitement got elated. We took that side road in Bidati, reached the place, we welcomed with a huge gate, with a sprawling 82-acre park. So on one side there is a resort called Wonderla Resort, which is rated number 2 in Asia by TripAdvisor. The parking lot is huge, and it has all the facilities inside the park, and all the security and safety, everything. I could see the labs for checking the water and protecting the entire park from the lightning. So there are a lot of enough facilities inside the whole park. So we went to that entrance fee, paid the fees, and also got a wristwatch. It's like a prepaid card that can be used in any of the shops inside. And some of the smaller kids, right, the fees for the kids are based on the height instead of the age. So some of the elder kids but shorter one were saved from the fee, but some of the shorter one, some of the kids having height but less age, they had to pay. So next comes the security check. They checked the bags and told that food is not allowed inside. So I could see a gloom in my wife's face, but it didn't reduce our energy. We put it back to the car. The next ritual inside is to be compliant with the dress code inside, where none of the loose dress is not allowed, jeans not allowed. So there is a dress changing place and a locker. So the tip here is put maximum stuff inside the car so that you don't need to pay for more for the lockers. Literally, we had to stuff everything inside that small locker, and then it's time for any rides. So there are around 60 rides. and the time between 11 to 6 o'clock is not enough for those, all of these rides. So the first ride I took was a Twister, where we went to the second floor of the building. I made a smaller group along with my mother-in-law and daughter, washed our feet, sat on a tube, and it was we were leaning behind. And the moment he switched it on, the platform went up, and then we went in revolving inside a tube, and finally pushed into a pool. So that was the first ice break we got there. So now, after that, we're ready for any rides. So if you look into the whole rides, you can divide by, for rides for the kids, right? For the medium thrill, there are some high thrill rides, and there are some shows, 3D and XD shows. So I avoided the high thrill rides because I always get scared when I really getting push me from the head down, legs up, or it gets twisted for the entire platform. And the most beautiful sight inside the park is about a free fall of a train, where the train goes up a hill, it goes inside a cave, and then it free falls into the water. It creates a splashing to both sides, and it's a marvelous scene for a few seconds. So we went inside to the lunch place, and the food is not, it's not that picayune, but it's of the same price as you get in Bangalore location. And afternoon, after the lunch, we spend most of the time on these shows, where there's a laser show that where water, smoke, and laser light dances with the Bollywood songs, or with a song of Wonderla, Wonderla, Wonderla. Then at around 4 o'clock, we went to the pool, where people of all ages can get into the pool, and water splashes from different directions. There is a big jar that gets filled, and when it reaches one level, it comes down and it splashes one across. So that was a real fun for that all people of all ages. 6 o'clock, all the water parks closes, and then there is a frantic rush to find out what are the remaining nice rides that we missed. So everybody was jumping, looking around here and there. I took the giant wheel, which is not circling that fast, but it gives a very good picture of the entire park. So, and then at around 7, we were literally chased out from the park because nobody was ready to come out. So the security came and asked everyone to go out. So when we reached the car, so we were all hungry, and that mouth-watering biryani was still lying there, not that bad. So it was finished in few seconds. So thinking about that now, about this experience, it was a good opportunity to connect, to communicate with people, and especially all my relatives enjoyed it. And I would like to end with a disclaimer that I'm not getting paid today for giving this ad to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Anwar. If I get an option whether I need to go into the Wonderla or take care of biryani, I'll choose the second.